Now students, we come to the relation between Kc and Kp. Now we take the reaction, same reaction, A reacting with B producing D and E and the same stoichiometric ratio. Now Kc will be already we derived what is Kc, and what is Kp already we derived, that is Kc and Kp we know. Now we know that PV equals to nRT. Now P equals to pressure equals to N by V RT. Please listen that N by V RT. N by V means number of moles per volume, that is mole per liter. That means the concentration. That means that N by V means the concentration. Remind it. N by V means the concentration. So partial pressure means of A means the concentration of A into RT. And partial pressure of B means concentration of B into RT. Partial pressure of D means concentration of D into RT. And concentration of E equals partial pressure of E equals to concentration of E into RT. Now the partial pressure be converted into concentration term. Clear? Now this partial pressure terms we put into the Kp relation. We putting the values in the Kp relation. The Kp is the partial pressure of D. Instead of partial pressure D, we write concentration of D into RT to the power D, then concentration of E into RT to the power E, then after divide upon concentration of A into RT to the power A, and then concentration of B into RT to the power B. Now we rearrange it, that concentration of D to the power D into concentration of E to the power E by concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power P, and we write that RT to the power D plus E. We can write it by RT to the power A plus B. Now what does this means? This is equals to Kc. Already we have written that Kc equals to that. So we write that Kp equals to Kc RT to the power D plus E minus A plus B. Now if we write D plus E minus A plus B equals to delta N, so Kp equals to Kc into delta N. Kp equals to Kc into delta N. Is it clear? Now in which case Kp and Kc may be same if the delta N equals to 0. In any case the delta N value 0, that means that time Kp becomes equals to Kc. Okay, I think you get it.